This isn't about rejecting productivity, it's about helping you make real progress on your business and stay present at home without burning out. And the shift that changed everything was something no productivity guru ever talks about, but it matters more than anything. Most productivity advice is the same. Do more, push harder, stay busy. But here's the truth. The more productive you become, the less anyone notices what it's costing you. They see your output, they don't see the moments you missed, the mental load, the burnout, the guilt you carry alone. It's like sprinting on a treadmill. Your body is moving fast, but your life isn't moving forward. And here's what dads rarely hear. The habits that make you look good at work are the exact same habits that disconnect you at home. Your kid doesn't care about how many emails you answered. They care if you looked at the drawing. A dad who helped James told me, "Luke, I think my phone is glued to my hand at dinner." And that hit me because I used to be that guy too. And for dads who want to start a business, this matters even more. Here's where things got messy and honestly a little bit uncomfortable. You know when you open your laptop for one quick email and suddenly it's dark outside, your food is cold and your kid is already asleep? That was me almost every night. I tried every system, every hack, every routine, but I wasn't getting freer. I was getting better at working on the wrong things. My lowest moment, I looked up and it was 9 p.m. I couldn't remember dinner or bedtime. I stared at my plate and realized I hadn't tasted a single bite. And part of this came from how I grew up. My dad worked from early morning until late at night. Every day, always tired, always stretched thin. And without knowing, I was reliving the exact same pattern I felt trapped in. The next day, I pushed harder, thinking discipline would fix everything. But then it hit me. I wasn't building a life, I was maintaining a treadmill. This is why so many dads never start the business they want. They think they need more time or more motivation. But what they really need is alignment. What I realized next rewired how I work. It didn't come from a guru or a billionaire quote. It came from one question that punched me in the chest. If my kid watched me work all day, would I be proud of what they learned from me? Not the money, not the achievements, the behavior. When you're trying to start a business while keeping your job, your productivity has to do two things. One, keep you performing at work. Two, move you toward the future you want. It's not do more, it's do the few things that actually move your life forward. When I shifted from pressure to alignment, my days got lighter, my focus sharpened, and I became the dad I wanted to be. Nothing out there worked for dads like us. So I built something simple, something real, and something I could actually stick to. I called it the P.E.A.C.E framework. And if you used even just the P and the E, your entire week would change. Let me walk you through it. P stands for prioritize. Most dads follow to-do lists written by everyone else. So every morning write two things. One task that moves your business forward and one task that strengthens your family. Do those two first. It's like tightening the two bolts that hold your whole world together. E stands for energy over time. Here's the non-obvious shift. You don't plan your day by time, you plan it by energy. Your energy rises and falls in predictable patterns. I call them energy gates. For most dads, it looks like this. Gate 1 is in the morning for sharpest thinking and business building. Gate 2 is your work day. Steady energy. It's great for admin, emails and follow-ups. Gate 3 is in the evening when you're tired. Great for rest or family time. For example, Daniel used to work on his business at night, exhausted. We switched it, gate 1 for business, gate 2 for admin, and gate 3 for rest. He doubled his progress without adding hours. A stands for automate or remove. If something steals your focus repeatedly, you must automate it, delegate it, or remove it. No debates. Examples like auto-pay bills, weekly meal rotation, delete distracting apps, one start work checklist. It's like cleaning rocks off the road. You automatically move faster. C stands for connect actions to identity. This shift helped Omar finally start his business after months of overthinking. Ask, would the future version of me, the dad who owns a business, do this? If not, skip it. It's like dressing for the job you want, but with behavior instead of clothes. E stands for experiment fast. If you overthink, this will free you. Pick one idea, test it for 30 days. Not perfect, not polished, just tested. One dad tested a simple offer during lunch breaks and got his first client before the month ended. You can build a business on lunch breaks if you stop waiting for the perfect moment. If you feel behind or stretched thin, you're not broken, you're not lazy. You don't need a new morning routine. You need alignment. Your kid won't remember how busy you were, but how often you showed up. And now you have the first steps to make that shift. Imagine 30 days from today, looking back and realizing you actually moved your life forward without disappearing from your family. Before you click away, do this tomorrow morning. Write your to list, 1 business task, 1 family task, and protect gate 1 for business tasks. Do that for 7 days. Your life will feel different. This framework changed my life, and it changed James's, Daniel's, and Omar's too. If this spoke to you, drop a comment and subscribe for simple tactical ways to build your business without losing your family.